Hi, my name is Garrett Morrison, and I am a senior advisor here at Sessions College. As an admissions advisor, my responsibility is to guide a student through the admissions process, make it as easy as possible, answer any questions for them. We normally ask them to fill out an application. They will at that point have an admissions interview, in which case we get to know them, or I get to know you a little bit more. I kind of find out what you're looking for, can kind of help you guide you to the exact program you want. And then just make it just a really easy process. Prior to coming to Sessions, I got my bachelor's in fine arts from the University of Southern California. In 2006, I started doing freelance graphic and web design. From there, I worked in an in-house marketing agency for one of the largest nonprofits in San Diego doing their design work. I became a senior digital recruiter for Robert Half, and then made my way into Sessions College. My creative background, I've kind of dabbled in a little bit of everything. I've studied graphic design, web design. I actually studied 3D modeling in Hollywood. I've done everything from business cards to billboards to video editing, and I was able to utilize these skills to kind of help place students in the best opportunities and kind of help guide them to their right education or what their interests are. The most rewarding part is I like being able to help students achieve their dreams. I'm actually an Eagle Scout. I've done a lot of community service throughout my career. I loved working nonprofit, meaning that any position or any project I did made a difference to the community, and just helping out someone achieve their dream is definitely the ultimate goal.